Okay, there was a wall here that had woodpecker got it. So we're replacing this wall, and then this is all a screened-in porch that we're going to take off and put in new screens and new hardy board here. And then over here we're going to power wash and restain the pergola. Restain that, and then we're going to power wash the fence and restain that. So that's what we're going to be doing with this house. So the screened-in porch will have all new screens, and with the woodpecker got the siding, we're going to replace that. And then the vinyl was messed up because of a weed eater, so we're going to be replacing the siding. And that's it, guys. These are the new screens. Okay, we got these screens in here. The guys are fixing to put the door on over there. So we just have this screen left, and then we're going to put the wall back where the woodpeckers got it. Isn't that crazy? Go outside. So that's that board that gets water damage, rotted out. So we're going to put this on there, like a metal plastic, to save from the woodpeckers and the water damage. Okay, after we get the fence power washed and everything, we're going to be cutting these trees, getting these limbs that are overhanging. It's a big tree. The guys are putting it on the screen door. I just love the screens, they're so pretty now. But yeah, you can see that big limb right here, branch. Okay, so they put all the boards back that were broken. So they got that going. Let's see what's going on over here. It's like he's fixing the siding that's came loose on the eaves of the house. So he's putting those back. Okay, looks like we're finished with the door now. That looks good. Okay, so here we decided that we're just going to block from there down. That's just going to be a wall. And this used to be a wall here, but we are just going to screen that in. So she'll have a bigger screen-in porch area. Compared to the water damage that they're working on here. So this way, that metal is going to protect it from water damage. And the little woodpeckers. I'll show y'all that again. Can you believe that? That woodpecker went to town. Look at that. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy. You can see how they power wash the pergola too. And we'll come back and give it a good seal, stain. So if y'all remember, this wall was the wall that was siding, and we took that out because of the woodpeckers. And now the customer wants it screened, so it's going to be screened on that one side, and then the boards. So it's looking a whole lot better. Okay, so they got this done. Looks really good. Just got to paint it. I'm cutting the trees now. Yeah. And they got all the new hardware down here, the hardy board. Looks good. You can see we put new vinyl down there because of the weed eater, so that's all replaced. The fence is done.